I'm here in a Granville store, Genius Phone Repair. I'm the advanced repair technician. So we get some of the stuff here that we work on. We work from the smallest thing on the board component all the way to console repairs, drones, GoPros, whatever we can get the hands on. Right here I'm doing, like, if you have a phone that you lose your backlight, your touchscreen's not working right, or your power management and that you charge it, it's not charging, kind of fake charging, we can fix that. We have a drone DJI right here. This is a Mavic Pro. We are DJI certified to repair drones. This one came in for a gimbal issue, so we're just waiting on that. GoPro came in here. SD card slot, it was not working, so we repaired this too. This one, that's an Xbox One. The optical reader was not working. We work on that too. So if you have like an Xbox or PS4 that your HDMI is not working, we can fix that also. So any issues that you have with your electronics, we can fix.